You were alright with him yesterday, babe. Yeah, I know. Better ring Kelly a minute and tell her that Dad's got a car seat.
But I mean, there's some features, aren't there? All sort of babies and animals were basically essentially.
Alright? You video.